Whether you're new to the carpet cleaning industry or have a multi-truck operation, is your choice of extraction tools preventing you from getting the best results and leaving you exhausted at the end of the day? If you clean for any amount of time, you're well aware of the limitations of using a scrub wand. The results you get are largely dependent on the amount of energy you're willing and able to put into it. The more cleaning passes you make with any tool, the cleaner the carpet will be. But using a wand for this repetitive motion causes frustration, exhaustion, and poor results. That's why Legend Brands developed the HOSS 700 Rotary Extraction Tool. Its ergonomic design allows you to stand upright in a relaxed position, eliminating repetitive stress-related issues. Engineered to maximize cleaning performance, the HOSS delivers 700 deep cleaning passes per minute. The durable head design outperforms the competition by providing superior agitation, increased flushing through the carpet fibers, and a better extraction for quick dry times. So whether you're using a portable or a truck mount, cleaning residential or commercial carpets, the HOSS 700 truly is the professional's tool of choice for the industry's best results.